It's my theory that creative people, whatever we put our minds to, our hands to, we can actually achieve. However, how successful you'll become will simply be based on how much passion the said thing evokes within you. And that is the key. And that's how I gauge what I should run with and what I should leave behind. Does it evoke that fire within me? Do I have interest for it days after or weeks after? So my personal design, I like structure, I like shape. So architecture is one of the things that I'm inspired by. And a few other things that are really, I'll address at some other point. Therefore, my style is very structured, but very stylish, and also has a little difference to it. Anything that has wonderful, interesting shapes evokes something deep within me. So, in short, I would suggest you take a little time to sort of research what you actually like. Do you like texture? Is it color that gets you going? Is it vintage shapes? Or are you a minimalist? Anything. Just find out what gets your creative juices going. And once you know what your thing is, sit in contemplation with your sketchbook and you'll see how the ideas flow. They'll flow more easily. And once they start to flow, you don't stop there, pretty much. That one idea, you sit with it, and then you just, keep working with it until it becomes your masterpiece. And that's how I get to my creative destination.